If you are interested in earning money with your smartphone, in this video, I'm going to talk about 2 ways you can earn money with your smartphone without leaving your comfort zone. Even though you are a student, a 9-to-5 worker, a full housewife, a graduate, undergraduate, or corper, in this video, you will learn 2 ways you can earn money with your smartphone without leaving your comfort zone. So make sure you watch the video to the end to get more details about how you can earn money in 2 ways. And also make sure you like and subscribe and share my video. Before I get started, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Ogunsegun Timtope, a digital marketer and also an affiliate marketer. I'll be able to earn 5 to 6 figures on the online space. So in this video, I'm going to explain in details 2 ways you can earn money with your smartphone. On Valpulse, what is Valpulse? Valpulse is an affiliate platform where you learn and earn. On Valpulse, you'll be able to get different data skills that will help you to be successful in affiliate marketing business, and also you'll be able to promote people's product and earn commission. On Valpulse, we have 2 ways you can earn money. One, when you promote a digital product and when someone buys the digital product with your affiliate unique link, you earn money. And also when you connect a buyer to a property agent, and when this person buys this property, you earn a big commission directly to your local bank account. And also, before you can get access to this platform, you need to register with a sum of 5,000 naira, a one-time sum of 5,000, and also you'll be able to have access to this affiliate platform. So when you get access to the affiliate platform, you can decide maybe you want to go into promoting digital products or you want to start promoting real estate products. So anyone you decide that you want to promote on this platform, you are going to promote it. So before I even show you the interface of this platform, I'm going to show you how you can sign up on Valpulse with a sum of 5,000. So I'm going to click on this link you are seeing on the screen to show you how you can fill your details and how you can sign up. And also I'm going to be showing the interface of this Valpulse affiliate platform. And the reason why I like Valpulse affiliate platform, if you register with the sum of 5,000, you'll be able to earn money in different ways. Apart from even promoting the digital product or the real estate product, you'll be able to earn money from sharing commission. Maybe you invite an affiliate marketer to join this platform, you'll be able to earn money. Or maybe you invite a vendor and the vendor was able to upload her product or his product on this platform, you earn commission for that. And also if you are able to achieve a certain sales, because now a sales challenge is going on, they're able to get if you're able to get a sales that meet the target on the sales challenge, you are going to get an extra commission. And also there's a lot of benefit on this platform, and also you'll be able to have access to the mentorship group. So I'm going to click on this link. So I'm going to tap on it. So I'm going to allow it to load. Just have to be patient. Okay, this is it. I'm going to fill my details. Okay, please make sure your email is correct. Make sure your email is correct. Make sure your email is correct, and your country, make sure you select your country: Nigeria, Cameroon, Ghana, United States, United Kingdom. Anywhere you are, you can just select. I'm going to select Nigeria. Your password, which password you want to use. Let me just use this. Password. Okay, then you tap on select payment gate. If you want to pay, if you are in Nigeria, you press the pay step. If you are in outside country, you tap on the international payment. So I'm going to tap on the pay tag, and then you see Naira. 5,000 or payment $5. So now then you tap on this agree terms and policy, and then you tap on register. So you are going to allow it to load. So this is it. Use one of the payment method below to pay. So you're going to pay with your card, pay with transfer, pay with BAM, pay with USSD, anyone you decide to pay with. So I love paying with transfer. Whenever I want to buy something online, I love to use pay with transfer. So you are going to send the 5,000 to this any account. Don't send the 5,000 to this account. When you don't sign up, it's going to give you the account you are going to send the money. And after sending the money, you are going to receive an email, and then you log in into the platform and then have access to your affiliate dashboard. And when you have access to your affiliate dashboard, you get your affiliate link, and then you start promoting. So I'm going to show you how you can get, if you want to go into data product, I'm going to show you how you can copy your link. If you want to go into real estate, I'm going to show you how you can copy your affiliate link. So then you just, when you send the 5,000, you come back here and say I have sent the money, and then you receive an email. That is how you can register with the sum of 5,000 and have access to Valpulse affiliate platform and also participate in the sister link. So I'm going to log, okay, I'm going to just log into my account, my Valpulse. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Then so you're going to tap on this three line. Can you see this three line? And then you come to products. Product is for the tab products. So this product, then you can see different courses you can promote, the cash flow mystery system, also affiliate marketing, the affiliate marketing. Just go through it, check different, there's a lot of courses here you can promote. Let me just make use of one to show you. So if you want to copy your link, let me say I want to promote this, the new being affiliate guide. I'm going to slide. Okay, it's $7 and the commission is 72%. You just go through it, then you slide like this, and so make sure you are copying the right link. You slide, so it's like, then you come to this copy link. So then you copy the link and paste it on your notepad, and then you start promoting. If you want to get more details about the products, you can tap on the view or go to, and you get more details. So for those of you that want to go into real estate, I'm going to show you. Then you come to this real estate, tap on the real estate. I'm going to show you first the dashboard so that you can see how the dashboard. Welcome to Purpose Real Estate. Big news, Purpose and real estate. Can you see? So that is for that. So this place total sales, because I've not make a sales for real estate, you see zero. Total amount sold over earnings. So that is for that. Then you tap on this place, you come to marketplace. Okay, there's a lot of products. This is the picture of the product. You just come to this page. If you want to download all the picture of this product, you tap on this download. Do you understand? You tap on the download, and then so this, then if you want to, if you decide, just scroll down, just check different property you can promote. Can you see? So it's still loading. So you can just go through. Let me just go through. So let me say you decided to promote this 5-bedroom duplex, you just come to this place. Let me just slide. You just come to this place, you copy your link, you copy this place, you tap on copy link, and you copy your affiliate link. So this link, when you promote this product, and whenever someone said is interested, you send this link and tell the person that he needs to fill the details, his own details. And so when they fill the details and submit the details, they are going to have access to the property agent, and when the person buy the property, you receive an email that you just sell a property and you receive your commission. So on Thursday you withdraw your commission, because on Valpulse their payout is every Friday. So you have to request for a withdrawal on Thursday, and then be expecting your payment to your local bank account, directly to your local bank account on Friday. So you come to, if you want to download, maybe as you want to promote it, you just come to this place, you tap on download, and it's going to download on your gallery, and then you start to promote this product. So can you see there's a lot of money? Okay, then this one is 380 million and the commission is 7.6 million. See, there's a lot of money, so you can use that 5,000 registration fee to earn millions of naira. You can earn 10 million at once if you have investors, if you have friends that are millionaires that need property in Abuja, because most of this property is in Abuja, that they want someone they can trust, someone that cannot take their money. You can use that opportunity to introduce and tell, okay, oh, I'm an affiliate marketer on a platform. I know they don't have the property. You can buy property. I assure you that they will not take your money. You just know how to promote the product, and then when they pay you, earn your commission. So you can see this property is 5.5 billion. If you are able to sell it, you are going to get 110 million commission. Can you see there's a lot of money you can earn in real estate? So that is for that. And when you promote this product and someone buy it, you get your commission directly to your Valpulse dashboard, and then you withdraw on Thursday and be expecting your alert on Friday directly to your local bank account. So can you see the beauty of affiliate market? Can you see that Valpulse is the best platform you need to sign up right now? Valpulse is the best platform, because apart from even earning from digital products, from real estate properties, you'll be able to earn money from different ways. The third way is when you invite a vendor and the vendor was able to upload their product, you earn commission. When you invite an top affiliate, and the affiliate was able to join, you earn commission. When people that you invited is able to get sales, you earn commission. And also if you are able to reach some targets and sales target, you earn a cash prize. There's a lot of money you can earn on Valpulse. So make use of this opportunity to sign with the sum of 5,000 and get access to your Valpulse affiliate platform and start to promote whatever product you decide to promote. If you decide to promote digital product, you earn commission. If you decide to promote the property, the real estate stuff, you will earn a lot of commission. So make sure you share this video, make sure you like, and also if you want to sign up, there's a link in the description below. Click on the link and then sign up. And also there's a link in the first comment section. There's a link there. Click on the link and then sign up with a sum of 5,000. And when you sign up, you get an email, and then you log into your Valpulse affiliate dashboard, and then you start to promote this product and start to earn money. So make use of this opportunity to start to earn money before the year 2026. Good luck to you. I pray we are going to meet at the top. So make sure you share, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and also make sure you start to earn money with your smartphone. Your smartphone is not only for just chatting or talking or doing amable. So I hope you have learned one or two things from this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.